Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share you weight gain recipes for kids. These recipes are not only rich in calories but they are also rich in nutrition. I will share my experience regarding this at the end of the video. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. First let's have a look at dates laddu recipe. For this recipe I have taken 1 cup mixed nuts, 1 cup dates and 2 tablespoon ghee. Add 2 tablespoon ghee into the pan. Add almonds 1/4 cup, cashew nuts 1/4 cup. Now add pumpkin seeds, pistachio and walnuts. Roast them until they turn their color into golden brown. Roughly ground the dates. I have taken 1 cup dates for 1 cup mixed nuts. Add, add this dates mixture into the same pan. Fry for a while. Now add these nuts into the pan and mix well. Once it is warm, make laddus out of it. These laddus are energy boosters. One laddu at the snacks time is good to go. Now let's have a look at second recipe, Sunnundulu recipe, Urud dal laddu recipe. For this recipe, first of all, I have washed urud dal, air dry them for at least 24 hours until they dry completely. Once it is dried completely, now I am roasting urud dal. Roast urud dal until they turn color into golden brown. In this clip, you can clearly see that dal has turned its color. Now grind this urud dal into fine powder. Now I am going to make jaggery powder. For 1 cup urad dal, I have taken half cup jaggery powder. Mix urad dal powder and jaggery powder well. Make sure there is no lumps in this powder. Now add 3/4 cup ghee. Add this ghee in the batches for convenient mixing. Check the whether the ghee is enough or not. Sometimes it takes much more ghee than usual. Now make laddus out of it. These laddus are quite nutritious and damn healthy for the kids. As it is rich in fats, it's very important for their brain development and also for healthy heart development. As the urad dal is rich in protein, it helps for healthy bone development. This Now I am going to share you my kids weight gain experience with you all. Actually, my kid has been underweight from quite some time. Initially, I never bothered about it, but after some time, I have realized that my kid is just increasing his weight in grams, not in kgs. After 6 months, also, he is not putting his weight. Then I realized it myself and I started focusing on that. Slowly, tried so many kids' weight gain recipes. Some are traditional ones, some are modern recipes, but I used to try only healthy ones. Here, my intention is to put his weight along with the nutrition. If I leave him like that, he might face some deficiency issues or some health issues. I don't want that. So that I tried so many weight gain recipes. I'm going to share you many more weight gain recipes for kids. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share.